podcast.
Hello, welcome to my podcast. This is your host, Abel Tesfit. ቅድሚ ኣብቲ ኣርእስታት ምእታወይ ንነፍሰይ ክላለይኩም ሽመይ ኣቤል ተስፊት ትበሃል ኣብ ቶሮንቶ ካናዳ ይቕመጥ ኣብ ናይ ኢንቨስትመንት ኢንዱስትሪ ከዓ ን10 ዓመት የሰሪሐ ዓላማ ናይዛ ፖድካስት እዚኣ ከዓኒ ተፈላለዩ ፍልጠታት ሼር ንግባር ደዓለመይቲ ዕላማ ኢንፎርሜሽን ናይ ኢንቨስትመንት ናይ ሪል ስቴት ናይ ኢንሹራንስ ናይ ስቴት ፕላኒንግ ናይ how to manage ዕዳ or debt management small businesses كمو خا سبات عديمكا اب different professional دلو سبات عديمكا اتم تمكرو شير كغبرو مغباري I'm sure تقامي information كترخو امنت علني enjoy the show. I'm not long with program now or today's podcast we're going to talk about what is an investment, basic definition of investments, and the second part of it is going to be what type of investment products are loana, and with each of the investment products basic risk and risk comes along, rate of return which is gains تقبر كم تخيل, liquidity مالت نتايو كنيخا if you want to sell your investment products then هني مع توصل كاتي جنزبك نخترك مالتيو ab رابعي point in each investment products كأن تقنزر ربينا كم يقدرنا هتجوزوا زي investment products so starting main discussions نعلم معتي. As part of nati discussion كأني سلو stock نزارب كلنا stock market انتهى مالتيو the basic information is stock market information كبكمي. So what is an investment انتهيو وفري نبال كله بتقرينيا مالتيو وفري is anything that you put money into generate كقبلك profits مالتيو real estate كذيكا ورحاوي كرايجزا collect كبتونكات an investment, or if you're investing into stocks or bonds gain تكبرت investment تكبرت لها it's an investment مالتيو. small business is the same thing. جي أبزي category ناي investment products انتهي خزارة أبزا podcast زيها. The first one is GIC, then bonds, stocks, mutual funds and ETFs. زيها we will go through basic information نايت product to risk, rate of return, liquidity and how you can be able to invest مالتيو. So the first one is GIC. GIC is Guaranteed Investment Certificate easy. We got CD below of America, but it's CDM below certificate deposits. It's a low risk, low return type of investment. It's a branch bankers, it's a advisor because a bank had good for the ganzebka, the interest rate might not be as great. CD you might generate maybe 2.5%. interest rate كت قبرت خالقة حجيب زي جزء أو advisors branch advisors they might encourage you to buy the investment products. What's a good side of it is safe you, low risk you. The flip side of the coin كأنتي ناتو خانتي risk low return يقول لك زي any investment that invested قبر لها low risk low return. تي liquidity خا هاي يكونن liquidity تاعي هم تعتوا يدولكم بحصير جزء تجذب كحتم صوت خل دي مخالني حجي بزح جزء إذا product مسجزء كيا ني 3 شهور حديد ني 6 شهور حديد ني عمد دي نخلت عمد وعل غيركا تهبهم يخاتي investment كنزبكا تهبهم interest rate نخوبخا حجي halfway through نعمت وعيل كام كان عمت نشد شورحي الحرشو مونتورحي كنزبي كدليه for emergency whatever is it كدليه خلخا penalty كابلاي قبل كاخو اليوم حجيت interest rate كي كفرو كاخو اليوم or sometimes نمثالي حمش يسح invest انت غيركا انت sooner كابتي اذا حسب كان قديم كهون تيل كام حمش يسح دنبره من الواش 14 800 14 900 كاخو اليوم حجي اسي to draw back نايزي investment products معناته liquidity great ايكون risk كن low risk أبي خد جزء تغل a branches any bank you bank it bank تقول له بوتا خد جزء تغل خمس investment products. The next one is bond خا نتايو جذبك نتي منجستي ونتي corporations ويتي municipality يخاطر لك حدا لخ بزح جزية bonds مسحب كايوم coupon payment interest payment أبو خايم هجينا مثالي ناشح قرشي بوند تجزء and the coupon payment 5% انت اليوم غا أبعمت 5 قرشي بخا مالتيهم 5% ناشح قرشي هجي كوميدي سرح مالتي ده حري أبتي مجرش أبت maturity date كون كله شعوتي مالكا بخا مالتي شح قرشي بزا example تي أدوكم درلقو أبشتها شح قرشي مولسول كمالتيهم زي ناي government bond allo ناي corporations allo ناي municipalities allo or utility بعل hydro كمبانيات bonds allo ولا بعل والمارت كمان bonds allo يعني medium term short term long term زي short term خلنا بالكلامنا few years maybe 3-4 years medium term خلنا بالكلامنا between 3 to 10 years مالتي long term خاني after 10 years plus مالتي هنحكي زي ناي 3 عامت bonds allo بزع جزء سب انتهي جزء زي income مثلا retire غيركا if you're generate regular income this is good save كوينو نا government كوينو low risk كوينو عملت 4% 5% دو بخات كوينو some people they invest into those types of investments مالتي كارين غيركا اني if مثلا كبنك خاص الكاتيجوري فوت جنزب مثلا بلان هلوكا ماكينه حتجزء وي كذا حتجزء so rather than a bank قد يفكا interest rate they بلو you could park it up bond جزيكا تقول فوتخل you might generate 4% 5% 6% rate of return تركب تخلي خمالتي حجي in terms of risk ناي bonds could be low risk or high risk a bonds كم زوال كم منقسي كشت الكاخلي municipality ونكشت الكاخلي bonds corporations كارلو حجي ratings AA AAA ويكأني AAA is high rating مالتيو زي default دي قبرو مالتيو default قبرو دخولو تخوينم جن junk bonds دي بحال junk bonds متايتم corporations they might go under bankrupt خدخ إلان so ساتن بزح جزي أبقوم أتولوا تي كوبون دو بخا هاي ويكاتو bonds at a cheaper price خات جوزو بعسر تجوزو and to yield مستي coupon payment and price calculate مزجبر كايت yield could be 7% قبض حقيقي this is high risk type of investment in terms of liquidity خاني this is liquid anytime كشوت تخلي خا بزح تعطيبلون مالتي but in terms of risk خاني كم زبالكم عنتوي some of them are high risk some of them are low risk خون خليه حجيك كتفلت عليك تعينت كمباني نايمن بوند خم تجزء لها تفلت عليك how can you buy into these types of investment products جزء أتوم كم يجيك خد جزء أب بزح جزء أب brokerage firms كت جزء تخلي خمزي discount brokers accountant مسكفت كا جزء تخلي خا then once you buy the bonds you could just trade them online whatever the case could be.
It may be the most important street on earth, Wall Street. It's fueled some of the greatest economic expansions ever known. Every business day, more than 1 billion shares change hands on America's major stock exchanges.
The next category, stocks. What is a stock? Before we talk about the stock, stock market እንታይ ምዃኑ ሕፅር ዝበለ ኢንፎርሜሽን ክበኩም stock market is basically ክልተ ነገር እዩ accomplish ዝገብር stock market is a place ሸየጥትን ገዛእትን ናይ stocks ዝራኸብሉ ቦታ ማለት እዩ not necessarily physically ግን account ምስ ከፈትካ brokerage firms ናትካ buy ለምሳሌ apple shares ከገዝእ እንተልካ to buy ናትካ online when you do it online or through a broker it goes into the trading floor and ሸያጣይ ተረኽበ ልክዕ መስተናትካ price ማች ትገብር እቲ ሸያጣይን ገዛእን ዝራኸብሉ ቦታ ማለት እዩ stock market ሕጂ ብዙሕ ግዜ መብዛሕቱ ደሎ ሕጂ electronically እዩ ዝግበር the system whenever you're buying the system match ይገብርካ buyers and sellers the system ባዕሉ it finds it matches your buy and sells and then that's it ሕጂ stock market that's basically what it is New York ግን still the auction market አሎ ሶም ሰባት order ምስ መጾም እዚ ሸይጥ አሎ ዝገዛ አሎ ኢሎም ቦጌሮም መለዋጥን to trade ካይዱ ማለት እዩ the other thing stock market ገብሮ ኸአኒ capital raise ገብሮ አሎ ካምፓኒታት ኣብ stock market ይንሸጦ ምሳሌ if you guys remember ናይ Facebook 2012 IPO ገሮም ነሮም IPO is initial public offering ሕጂ ኣብ stock market ናቶም ብርክ ምሻጥ ጀሚሮም initially subscription price correct me if I'm wrong about $38 shit nearu $38 initially shit nearu ክሳዕ $16 billion raise ገሮም ማለት እዩ እቲ ገንዘብ ካበይ መጪ ቶም ገዛእቲ ከምዚ these average people or institutional investment firms or institutional investors ገዚኦም ወጥ stock ናቶም ማለት እዩ $16 million raise ገሮም as it is now ሕጂ ሽዑኡ 38 ቅርሺ ዋጋኡ ነይሩ ሕጂ is about $185 እዩ በጽሕ ደሎ ማዓንቲ like you know these days in March 2018 ማለት እዩ so almost 344% gain ገይሩ ማለት እዩ so basically ክልተ ነገር stock exchange ገብር sellers and buyers ድራኸብሉ ቦታ እዩ at the same time ካኒ capital raise ገብርሉ when corporations ማለት እዩ IPO ገሮም capital raise ገብርሉ ቦታ ማለት እዩ so what is a stock is basically ownership ይድበካ ዋንነት ይድበካ stock ሓደ ሼር ናይ አፕል ተገዚካ you're an owner of the company ማለት እዩ voting right አለካ ምቅልት ከመጽ ኸሎኻኒ you get the dividends from the company ማለት እዩ and the other thing you're looking in terms of when you're investing is ምቅልትን capital gains እንታይ ማለት እዩ basically price appreciation ይኸተልለለኻ እቲ price ነቲ stock ገዛእካዮ ኩስኽ ይኸተልለለኻ ለምሳሌ last year apple 138 shit near darga this time ሕጂ at this time it's about $185 ይሸጥ አሎ ሕጂ almost $50 gain year ማለት እዩ it's about 35% ሕጂ that's one of the things stock investment ገብር ከለኻ እቲ price net stock to go up iti alama dallo the second you're looking is to get distributions apple per share about 63 centime every quarter distribution gabar malati haji that's the two things that you're looking at when you're buying into stocks is capital gains meaning that the price net stock to go up and then the distributions ብዙሕ ግዜተን matured ሆና ካምፓኒታት ባል the banks ብዙሕ ግዜ capital gains aim አይትከብረን ይኻ you're looking for distributions ብዙሕ ግዜ ንሳተን ካኒ distributions አለው on a quarterly basis ሓድሽ ካምፓኒታት ኮይነን ግን ብዙሕ ግዜ እቲ distribution አይከፍላኻ ካነን እንታይ ንገብራነቲ cash flow ናታተን expand ክገብራተን ናታተን ካምፓኒ ወይት after research and development due new technology reinvest ንገብሮ ብዙሕ ግዜ so distribution ክህልዎ ክእል እዩ ሕጂ risk ክንዛረብ ከለና ናይ stocks is like you know just comes you own a business ማለት እዩ ለምሳሌ ሓደ ሬስቶራንት ትገዝኦ በ50 ሺህ ትገዝኦ and the restaurant ጽቡቅ ከይድ ክእል እዩ and ድሕሪ 3-4 ዓመት ብ30 ሺህ ክትሸጠው force ኮንት ክእል ኢኻ so you're losing about $20,000 up the investment ማለት እዩ ከም ኢኻ stock ani you have ownership it could go up or down it could double or it could go the other way around or it could be just flat ማለት እዩ so እሱሉ ሕጂ stocks the risk level ብዙሕ ግዜ it's medium to high the risk level ማለት እዩ rate of return in stocks ካኒ could be as I said كم تنا عن تويد بالنا ناي Apple ديو ناي Facebook ديو it could be 200% 300% خون خلي ويكاني could lose the whole the investment خا على حدا زي high risk type of investments resources mining companies sometimes people lose everything that they have so stocks كل زي risk allo in terms of the liquidity again it's high liquidity دلو بعد رقلت سلسة معلت سني تجذب كحت مسألة تروات خليها حجت liquidity مثال جزها ليكا نعمدش جزها ليكا كشيت أتدريها سني it takes about maybe at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks بزح جزيد وصل stocks جن نعمدش جزب هالليكا تحس سلسة معلتيس رقلت كلتا معلتس بنك خاطر خلي so high liquidity low which is good. The next discussion is in terms of coming to buying stocks. How do you do it? It's typically you'll have to open a full service with any discount brokers account. The commission on discount brokers is very low. You should show حتى خون خالي. مثالي Apple shares لو ما أنت تكذات دليغاز. حنتي share is 285 واقع 285 plus مثالي 10 أشي تخفل كاني commission سني 295 هتخفل مالتي all in all full service login advisor لك مالتي advisor تلك قال typically the commission is very high the advisor كاب زح جزء guide قبرك مالتي typically advisor دلو account خاني the requirement in terms of can they كله كله assets to start investing كاني could be high مالتي could be $1 million account or could be at least $500,000 account خون على مالتي so بزح جزية حجي سب move تقبله له after discount brokers do it yourself double strategy تتقيمه يتقبله له مالتي. The next category خاني mutual funds basically mutual funds is a basket of stocks bonds حجي انتاي mutual funds بزح جزية up to mutual funds نمثالي ناي financial services mutual funds كون نخل ناي technology companies mutual funds كون نخل ناي mining companies كون نخل ناي different types of investment كون نخلي ويكأني ناي indexes كون نخلي ناي Toronto Stock Exchange TSX ميميك تقبر تناتهم rate of return ميميك تقبر كون نخلي حجي بزح جزية نمثالي if you're looking at ناي technology focus قبرة mutual funds قازت هونك بزح جزية تم fund facts تري أخلقها up to mutual fund information كبخا خلو top 10 holdings ينقروها من كم زلوا حجي بزح جزية ترى أخا تن technology focus قبرة mutual funds مع الأبل ناي أبل stocks اللو ناي مايكروسوفت زين مع الأمازون these types of investments اللو بزح جزية top 10 holdings تري أخلقها مالتيو حجي the advantage ناي mutual funds versus buying stocks is the regular investment تقبر تخليها مثلا بانكها you could ask them to invest $100 or $50 regularly or bi-weekly invest in قبرك بيلو تقبر تخليها ناتكا portfolio and the risk ناي mutual fund خاني because بزح investment up to basket of investment products سلزول لاب mutual funds at average rewards مثلا if you have 90 stocks up had a mutual fund سني كل تسلسته if they go prices if they go down سني بزح يوتسعك هني the impact is not as big as would be stocks مالتي حجي سود advantage له up mutual funds انتهي the other advantage له خاني تي liquidity خالو liquidity in a sense كتوصوت دلي خاص كتوصوت خليها بزي وعلى حدا كان أبزي أخاني قال mutual funds كأمنا الباش أبتا next podcast قلت لكم قال mutual funds restriction كله خليه نحن مش عم تحزوه بلوخا خليهم ني certain period of time حزوه بلوخا خليهم so I will clarify قبل الكوميتي in terms of the liquidity in mutual funds basically again كشوت أتدلي خاصني majority of the time you could be able to do that كت بزي restriction مال mutual funds كأني بمعنى ما كنت جزء دخل fund companies هلوا also is through brokerage firms كاني ناي bank brokers تلو خاني you could be able to buy mutual funds مالتي ناي online brokers بزح جزء you have a lot of mutual fund options كتجزء تخليها ناي mutual fund تقبل اللي تخل جن بزح جزء عسات جزء دا جزء كخن جهة you cannot flip in terms of the مشات and ملوات and on a day-to-day basis كم زي day traders تقبلوا كتقبل تخليها mutual funds restriction على تم fund company خا they could give you penalty قبل الكخ الآن restriction قبل الكخ الآن so you cannot do that with mutual funds. The investment vehicle that you could be able to do that كم mutual fund خوينجن حجي حدش مسيدولو is ETFs which is the fifth category in investment products. ETFs كا exchange traded funds إذا up stock market يدشيت جن لك كم mutual funds حدا نقدر يقول تذكركم ده اللي هنا mutual fund رسعك وميس كبركوا is MAR لو MER management expense ratio لو إذا خان management دخفلو expenses مالتيو حجي compared to ETFs mutual funds have more MER دخفل له مالتيو إذا خاي كابتي ناتكا مخسب سني يقول لك كام مالتيو حجي I'll just give you an example for example حجي ناي RBC Global Technology Fund ناتهم management expense ratio حجي is about 2%. ETFs كن ناي Horizon Nasdaq 100 ETF which is part technology investment تناتهم MER is about 0.27%. حجي اتي لوتي تناي management fee that you pay a mutual fund is majority of the time it's high relative to ETFs. حجي بزح سب اب ETFs يدزنبل له مالتي اب ETF يفوكس كبر له ETFs جن كب stocks لدشيت اب brokerage account خلو كالو ناب ETFs كتجز a brokerage account مسكفتك then you could be able to invest into the ETFs قالك حمت mutual funds ناي resources كله خلي ناي different types of focus كبري investment كتجز تخليها the one of the resources that you could be able to use ناي information ناي ETFs or ناي mutual funds my suggestion is to search for Morningstar at morningstar.com كتكم بزح information على where you could be able to make you could be able to see the fund managers to where ETFs come يجروا the rate of return all the information that you could be able to help you in terms of investment مالتي again one thing could fault order لكم historical rate of return مالت doesn't necessarily mean that the feature كم اي مالت هيكون again at least information كباكم خل مالتيو هجي in terms of risk إذا خالق خم mutual funds مالتي it could be medium to high risk خون خليو in terms of liquidity yes it is liquid كشوت أستخليها كم لك هم stocks so if you sell it in 2-3 days you could have تماني سب جبهاس in 2-3 days كتروح وتخليها اتمقصب كالك هم stocks it could be like you know you could double your rate of return or it could be you could be losing some of your money مالتي CT at a high risk high return is always common مالتي زين انت حمش investment products GIC bonds mutual funds stocks and ETFs then basic investment products abzi discussed قبرنا لن is small investment small business investment and also is the real estate investment discussed قبرنا and I'm planning to invite some guests down the road abzi podcast كقروركم كفتني مالتي In our next podcast, we're going to talk about the investment strategies to make approach to investments because each of us كل سبسني حدا strategy follow كبر كلني because investment horizon دلنا نخلي عمت investنا هنجبر all our conditions are completely different لازم خونا تسب كسبنا بسب فعلا لازم خونا different investment strategies على كم يجرك slowly ببل إشتي invest ክትገብር ከም ትኽእል ከአዲስካ ክትገብር ኢና and how to select the investment products ማለት እዩ and also is how to select investment advisors the investment companies ከመገርካ select ከም ትገብር and also is in terms of what are the things that you should ask for whenever you're looking to invest any what are the information that you're gonna have to ask for any investment that you're planning to do ማለት እዩ then information provide ጎብረልኩም well thank you for listening stay tuned for the next podcast
Thank you for listening to this podcast. Hope you enjoyed it.